it. Now you scoop the water backwards away from you.
What? So pull it away?
Yeah. Have it flat and then pull down and in. But you've got to do it at the same time.
Yeah, you've both got to...
You're going the wrong way.
What? So back and then forward?
Forward, back. Yeah. Forward and then back in. That's it.
Oh, I got it.
Mind the boat.
At the same time.
Going into a boat.
Well, go then, steer. Forward, in and pull, Ross.
We failed.
Do some counting. Do a counting rhythm.
Ross, the black bit needs to be in the holes. That's it. You've got better leverage now.
Going in circles.
He's quite nervous about going in the boat. Joe, we are not.
You might need to do some counting. That's it.
Do a rhythm. Get a rhythm going.
No, you're not, Ross. You're nowhere near.
I've got it on video soon.
You know, when it's presentation evening.
Oh dear. It's quite a comedy.
Trying for the Olympics.
And then as we look back behind, we've got everybody watching them learning what to do. They're not going to get very far, honestly.
No. That duck's swimming faster.
They should be going 1, 2, 1, 2.
They're not.
Just bopping around. Wait a minute, it'll be your 5 minutes is up, you better start coming back.
They'll never make it back. They'll have to fetch them.
We'll have to go and pay another £15 at this rate. I haven't got a clue.